Hello everyone, welcome to Theo's fascinating programs. Today in this video, we're going to learn how to change MySQL root password. So don't skip the video, see till the end. Over to the video. To change MySQL root password, we have to open a command prompt, click on start and just give a CMD, or you can open a command prompt. So this is the command prompt. You can see Windows command prompt. In a Windows command prompt, we have to give the path of the MySQL. So I just minimize it and I click once again. I click on start. So I go to my computer. So I just go to local disk C and I find where is my MySQL is file. It is where in a program file. I just open MySQL. In that I just open a bin and I just find the path called MySQL admin, and then I just click on the top and I copy this path. So once I copy this path, I just open my command prompt, just I give typed as cd, it means a change directory, and then I just paste the path and hit enter. So you can find here it comes to the directory of MySQL. Now MySQL admin space, and you can find I just type as hyphen u, it just user, so username is root space p, so you have to give password, just type it as password, and you have to give your new password. So I just give it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 and I hit the enter. And it is asking for the current MySQL password. If I do not give MySQL current password, you can see there is an error. So this is what happens if you do not know the current MySQL password. So once again I just run the same and I give my MySQL root password, and you can see there is no error. So the password has been changed now. Now to check this, once again I just open my MySQL. You can see just I'm opening my MySQL. I open my command prompt and just I give the password like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see here it goes to the new password. This is how you have to change a MySQL root password. Thank you.